I hope you are all doing well. This is the orientation session for my dear students who are enrolling on the course Certificate in French Education, which is a 3-month course that will help you get certification or certificate from Ghana Baptist University. This is a collaboration between Ghana Association of French Teachers, Volta OT, and the university. So, if you purchase your admission form, which is 150, you should have your student dashboard on my website. So if you have your student dashboard on my website, you can pay the fees, which is 1,350 cedis later, or in bits. Okay, you pay the fees to start your lectures. So once you have your student dashboard, that's cool. You've already have a lecture notes on the website. You already have a lecture note on the website. So if you check on your dashboard, you should have a lesson there with a quiz you are supposed to do. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you go about a course, how you read your course, how you do assessments, how you interact on your dashboard. Merci beaucoup. Let's get started. So I'll search the frenchmastergh.com, and then I'll click on the first link. I have an app as well, which is in the process of getting on the Google Play Store. Okay, so by the weekend it should be available there. So you can still use the website, the same process. So I'll click on French courses, or you can click on courses at the top here. Okay, it's the same thing. So I'll click on add to carts if I've not paid for my this thing yet, my admission yet. So I already have an account. So if you've paid for your admission, you should already have an account. Okay, meaning that you have a username and your password. So your username is the username you yourself you use. So my username here is just user. Okay, so my password, I will type that and see. Okay, so I'll sign in. Bam. So I'm in my course now. So you see that now they are saying start learning. If you've not purchased the admission, you will not have access to the course. Okay, so you can see start learning here. If not, meaning that you've not paid and you don't have a logins. So I'll click on start learning, and this video is specifically for those who purchase the course. Okay, and they have a student dashboard. So you see your picture there or your name at the top here. So meaning that this is your profile. When you click, you have my profile, dashboard, enrolled courses, my quiz attempts, okay, other history, question and answer. You can ask questions and then lecturers will answer you. And then you can click on announcement. Maybe there is an announcement. Let's say, for instance, let me click on announcement. I've made an announcement down. So all those who purchase the course, when they go to their this thing, their dashboard, they should see the announcements. So you can see an announcement that I made September 3rd, 2023, 1:54 a.m. They say what? You can click on details. Salut. Nous aurons une section d'orientation ce dimanche 3 septembre à 15h pile sur Telegram. Veuillez cliquer le lien ci-dessous et coller-le, ou bien copier le lien ci-dessous et coller-le dans votre application Telegram. Donc, le lien est ici. Okay, so this is an announcement that was made. So you check your announcement always and see if there's any announcements. It's just like in a school system where they will make an announcement. If you want to minimize your profile, just click back there. And so you can see your quiz attempts, my quiz attempts. You can see, so when you click on my quiz attempts, see whether you've attempted a quiz. Yes, I've attempted a quiz and I got it's 10 questions. The total mark I got is 20 marks. And then I got 8 correct answers and 2 incorrect answers. So the end mark over 80% is 16. My result is pass. So it will grade you just like a school system. Okay. So I'll show you why I made a mistake in some of the questions so that you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me go to my courses. Those are the most important places. So at my courses, it's loading, eh? So I have only one course here. Okay, I have only one course here, which is Certificate in French Education. Let me click on that. Okay, so this is the intro video. You see that? Okay, so some details about the course, which you've read already. You can read them. So what will you learn? Methods of teaching French, intermediate and advanced level French. So it's not for beginners. So course content. So there is something here you have to do. This méthode d'enseignement du français langue étrangère. So meaning that there is a lesson here already that you have to read. And then évaluation sur la première leçon. You see that there is an evaluation and an assessment you have to do. So me, because I've tried, I'll click here, continue learning. But if you've not done that, just click on it and then you start reading the lesson. So this is the lesson. La méthode communicative and those things. So you have a lesson here that you need to read. You read through very well with exercises, okay? And on that, so I can click mark as complete, okay? Okay, so this is the course content. So I'll go to next. I've read it already, okay? I've read it already, so so now this is the quiz you are supposed to do. Let me go back. So let me go back to the quiz, continue learning. And then because I've already done my quiz, the quiz has marked me. So you see the quiz is a multiple choice question. After doing your quiz, it will give you the details of what you've chosen, why it's wrong. Okay. So example question 1. The question is, dans quelle situation les élèves pourraient-ils utiliser la carte postale imaginaire? The given answer, the one me I chose, okay, is pour décrire un voyage imaginaire en France. Okay. And the correct answer is pour décrire un voyage imaginaire en France. So the result is correct. Okay. Second one, I got it incorrect. So the question is question 5. Quel est l'objectif d'un jeu de rôle en classe de FLE? The answer is apprendre. The answer I've given answer is apprendre la grammaire. But the correct answer is pratiquer la communication en situation réelle. So the what I've chosen is wrong. So I have the correct answer today. So basically that's how the lessons are going to be. So if a lecturer publishes a course, you see it. You see the lecturer's name and everything. And wherever you see your picture, if you've not set your profile well, you can set your picture there or your name will be there. So when I click on it, I can go to any of these, my quiz attempt, question and answer. So assuming I want to ask a question, okay, I'll click on question and answer. Maybe after reading the lesson, I need more explanation. You need not to do this thing, to call the French master GH. Okay, me, I'm an instructor. Your side, it will be like students. Okay. This student to instructor. Okay, yeah. So this student to instructor. Or you can turn it this way too. You turn it this way. That is instructor to student. So it's student to instructor. So let it be like that. And so this is a question, course English. You can uh, so you see here, down here, you see Q and A. That's question and answer. So click there. So when you click on it, I've already asked a question, okay? So you can, I've asked a question here, okay? So course in this, you can click on reply. You can also ask, then I'll reply, okay? I just send something like hello, bonjour or something, just a test. So you can just reply, okay, yes, I've understood the lesson. Understood the lesson. Or if you don't understand, you click on reply. So it will show on the dashboard for the lecturer to answer. So this one is basically me chatting myself. That's why I say like that. It's like that. You can send after reading a lesson, there is a point you want more clarification. You just go to the Q&A session and then you get your answer. So basically that's how it is. When you are done, you can decide to log out. Okay. You can log out or you can still leave it like that. So anytime you come in. If you come, the first thing to check is your announcement and see if there's any announcement. If there's any new lesson there, I will announce it that there is a new lesson. So quickly check your dashboard like that. Uh,